So we've got our electronics here. This is the original neck pickup that we're going to be putting back in to replace this neck pickup here. And then we've got our middle pickup, our bridge pickup, our master volume, our two-tone controls, and our three-way switch. We've got the original three-way switch over here, but we've been discussing it with Pete, and we're not going to put the original three-way back in because we think that's where the problem was originally, that that switch was failing and it was causing issues with the neck pickup, which is why it was changed over. But because we now know the neck pickup does work, we're going to put it back in and see if we can get everything working, and we'll just leave things as that. So we're just going to get in close now and have a look at these pickups. So we're just going to take a closer look now at these pickups, and if you can just make out the numbers on this one, we've got a 121,875. So the final two digits there are 75. So these pickups were made in 1975. The 1818 is the week of that year they were made, and in this case that was April 28th to May 4th. And then the first two numbers, 1, 2 here, are the operator number of the person who would have wound the pickups. So that's their bridge pickup, and if I can just pan down slightly, you might just make out the numbers here on our middle pickup, and the numbers there are 161775. So again, this pickup was made in 1975. It was made in week 17, which was April 21st to 27, so the week before the bridge pickup, and the operator number on that was 16. And I'll just take you back out here again and just show you. This is our original neck pickup that's going to be going back in, and the numbers we have on that are again operator 12, again week 18, and again 1975. So the bridge and the neck pickup were made in the same week by the same operator, but our middle pickup was made by a different operator, operator 16 in this case. So operator 12 made our neck and bridge pickup, and operator 16 made our middle pickup. Now I know Pete mentioned in his opening video about Abigail Ybarra, and unfortunately it's known that her operator number was 6 and then later changed to 7. So these pickups weren't unfortunately made by Abigail. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to uninstall the neck pickup. We're just going to desolder the 2 points here, and we're going to put back in our original neck pickup here, and just do a quick test that everything is working. And once it is, then we'll be taking all the electronics out so we can redo the front of the scratch plate and put a lot more shielding here on the back. So we're just in the process of taking all the electronics out of the pickguard so we can begin work on trying to restore that. And as you can see, everything that comes off is being bagged and tagged appropriately, so everything goes back exactly where it came from, and we don't end up with a whole bag full of spare parts or anything like that. So we'll bring you back when this is fully disassembled. And just to show you some detail here, it's not on the volume pot, but it is on the two-tone controls. There's like a white paste or something, or it could be really old, like a plumber's tape that was put on to stop the pots moving around. So it's just something to bear in mind when we do put everything back, that there may be an issue with the knobs turning, but they're not controlling the pots. So we'll strip this stuff off. It's cutting away easy enough, and it's just something to bear in mind when we're putting everything back together, that it could be something that we have problems with. So that's our wire and harness completely out, our 3 pickups, our volume, master volume and 2 tones, our 3-way switch and our pick guard. So now with those completely separated, we'll just put the electronics to one side and we can start our work attempting to restore the pickguard.